Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese chili. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need items like 1 pound of ground beef, beans, and tomatoes. Don't forget your chili powder for that classic flavor. Also, choose a good melting cheese, perhaps cheddar or Monterey Jack, as this is key. Make sure you have a large pot or Dutch oven ready to go for cooking. Now, let's start building that rich chili flavor. Begin by browning 1 pound of ground beef in your pot until it's fully cooked through. It's important to drain any excess fat from the beef to keep your chili from becoming too greasy. Next, add your chopped onions and garlic, cooking them gently until they are soft and wonderfully fragrant. With your base ready, it's time to add the liquids and spices. Stir in your canned tomatoes, kidney beans, and about a half cup of water or broth. Now, for the heart of the flavor, add 2 tablespoons of chili powder and any other spices you love. Let your chili simmer gently for at least 30 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. Finally, for the star of our dish, the cheese. Stir in about 1 cup of your shredded cheese directly into the warm chili until it's completely melted and creates a wonderfully creamy texture. You can garnish your chili with extra cheese, a dollop of sour cream, or some fresh cilantro. Serve your warm, comforting cheese chili with cornbread or crackers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.